Friends, leadership is not merely the art of giving instructions. Leadership is not just about position, power, or authority. True leadership is an inner force that first teaches a person how to master themselves and only then how to influence the world around them. Today, I want to speak about the first of the Ashta Mahasiddhis, Anima Siddhi. Anima means the ability to become subtle. In spiritual language, it means becoming so subtle that one can enter the smallest particle of existence. But in modern leadership, Anima Siddhi means something deeper. It means making your ego smaller and your awareness greater. Because a great leader is not the one who only appears big. A great leader is the one who can enter the smallest corners of another person's mind. The one who understands the concerns of a staff member. The one who senses the needs of a customer. The one who reads the silence in a family. The one who notices fear inside a team. That is the modern expression of Anima Siddhi. The first meaning of Anima in leadership, shrinking the ego. Every leader has an enemy, and that enemy is often not outside. The greatest enemy of leadership is one's own ego. When a person starts believing, I know everything, nothing can happen without me, my word is final, leadership slowly begins to die. Anima Siddhi teaches, reduce your ego. Because where ego becomes smaller, vision becomes larger. And where vision becomes larger, leadership begins. The power of subtle observation. An ordinary person sees only the problem. A leader sees the reason behind the problem. Anima Siddhi teaches, observe every situation with subtle awareness. When your team becomes silent, do not just notice the silence. Ask yourself, are they tired? Are they afraid? Are they feeling unrecognized? Have they lost direction? The leader who can read subtle signals often solves a crisis before it appears. Entering the minds of people. A leader's work is not only to speak. A leader's work is to understand people. The modern form of Anima Siddhi is this. Make your awareness so subtle that it reaches the inner world of others. Because people do not only hear your words, they feel your energy. If there is respect within you, people feel it. If there is selfishness within you, people feel that too. Subtle energy management. Leadership does not move only through language. Leadership moves through energy. Sometimes you enter a room and before speaking a single word, people feel your presence. That is subtle energy. Anima Siddhi teaches, do not make your energy heavy. Refine it. Because refined energy creates influence. An angry leader may command people, but a calm leader inspires people. And inspiration is always stronger than command. Anima in the Leadership Tantra model. The Leadership Tantra model teaches, every outer transformation must begin with an inner transformation. Anima Siddhi becomes practical through this. First practice, use fewer words. Speak less, speak clearly, speak with calmness. Because powerful leaders do not speak more, they speak deeper. Second practice, slow your reaction. Do not react immediately. First observe, then understand, then respond. That is subtle leadership. Third practice, read the person beyond the face. When someone stands before you, do not only see their face, feel their inner condition. Ask, are they insecure? Are they seeking recognition? Are they carrying pain? Are they asking for respect? This is where real influence begins. Anima in business. In business, Anima means the ability to detect the smallest shift. Great business leaders sense what customers need, what the team feels, what competitors are planning, where the future is moving. This is not magic, it is subtle observation. Anima in family leadership. Leadership begins at home. If you cannot understand your family, you cannot truly understand the world. Sometimes your spouse says nothing but feels everything. Sometimes your children ask for nothing but need your presence. Anima Siddhi teaches, learn to listen to emotions. Because a real leader understands silence more than words. Daily practice of Anima Siddhi. Now the question is, how do you develop this daily? Daily practice. Sit silently for 5 minutes every morning. Close your eyes and ask, today, how can I become smaller inside so my awareness can become greater? Then ask, who needs to be understood today? Then simply watch your breath. Slowly, your mind becomes quiet. And when the mind becomes quiet, subtle awareness begins. The modern meaning of Anima. Today, Anima Siddhi does not mean physically becoming small. Today, it means making the ego smaller, making observation deeper, controlling reaction, understanding people, refining inner energy. That is the tantric power of modern leadership.
If this series has helped you reflect, grow, or reimagine your leadership, please leave a rating and share it with your network. If this inspired you, share it with someone who leads with their heart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our series, Reinvent Yourself and Conceal the Leader Within. Let's bring back value-based leadership, one story at a time.